Alright guys, quick little review here. And I was working on my kitchen chair, spot welding, and my normal helmet here. Apparently it's got batteries, but also solar charging, I suppose. Well, this thing didn't work. It didn't auto darken like it should. And I got a pretty good flash out of it, thankfully. I don't know, there's just something, I guess after you weld enough, you kind of don't look directly at the weld unless you have to, even with the helmet on. Well, let me tell you, this is a TEMU purchase, and I thought it was junk. Well, I have to tell you, it's not. And you may have seen these on TEMU. These are supposed to be auto darkening welding glasses. All right, and they're cheap. I mean, honestly, they are cheap. But I ended up with them from TEMU, and they'd sat around here in the shop for quite a while. And I used them recently on my 55 wagon. I had to cut an access panel into the driver's door, and I was spot welding that back. And these are easier to deal with. These are easy to put on and deal with. And of course, I can't see a thing. They're easier to deal with than a hood. So I thought, well, what the hell? And they worked then. So anyway, I keep my helmet with the welder. And so I got this on, and it didn't work. And I thought, well, I think I'll bet these glasses will. And sure enough, they work fine. They're able to put them on, and they auto darken when I strike that arc, and did fine. I was quite pleased with them for an inexpensive purchase. Not a bad deal. Now, before you bet your eyesight on these, I would strike an arc that you're not directly looking at each time you use these to make sure they're darkened. And that's probably not a bad idea if you have one of these babies, to make sure the thing's going to auto darken when it should. Otherwise, you'll get a nasty surprise. Now, fortunately, I didn't get much of a flash. I mean, I wasn't directly looking at the arc. But I will tell you, that's a pretty painful thing when you get an arc flash in your eyes. So anyway, but these little dudes saved me a lot of time over trying to get this helmet working and to see what it needs. And I'll do that now, but I got my welding job done thanks to these. All right, give them a try. They're inexpensive, and you can find them on TEMU, or I'm sure you can find them on Amazon as well. You'll just pay more. Probably the same thing. Anyway, have you tried these out? Let me know. I thought they were junk, but saved me some time today, that's for sure. All right, that's it from the Shade Tree Garage. We'll see you next time. Take care.